Yeah, those are your sirens. So somehow Hunter has 2 fire trucks. Hey, Carson. Hi. Yeah, that's baby's toy. It's Carson's toy. You like the noise it makes? So this is a healthy shepherd's pie that Caroline made. Caroline, can you tell us about this healthy shepherd's pie?
Explain it, Hunter.
Yeah, explain the shepherd's pie. Tell us about it.
So instead of mashed potatoes, what's on top is mashed cauliflower.
Mmm.
And I think that's the biggest healthy component, and then the cheese is just reduced fat cheese.
Yeah.
I mean, we're all for full fat cheese, but
Yeah.
trying to change things up right now.
We're trying to change things up right now. If we're going on a trip and we want it's good. I haven't had any beer or alcohol since the 4th of July. So pretty good.
Or sugary stuff.
Yeah, or like fake sugar. Well, I have had sugar soda before July. Hunter, what do you like better, Trader Joe's or Target? You like Target? Yeah. What do you like about Target? You just like Target, just for being Target? Yummy rice. Yummy rice and chicken. Chew it up real good, okay? Chew it up real good, okay? That's what you gotta do. Oh, yes. Yeah, you gotta chew it up. Exactly. Yeah, those are your sirens. So somehow Hunter has 2 fire trucks. We know we bought him one at Disney World, or more properly at Disney Springs in Orlando. But we do not know how he got the other one. Okay, yeah, that one's pretty big here. Okay. Alright, but you gotta chew it up, okay? Chew, chew, chew. And make sure you eat some chicken too. Oh, hello. Hey, Carson. Hi. 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 Mommy's gonna wear you. Then I'm gonna give Big Brother Hunter a bath. And we're gonna have a very fine evening. We're gonna have a very fine evening, won't we? We most certainly will, sir. Yes. 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 Let's see what Big Brother Hunter's up to. I think he went Mom to the car to get the thing that Mommy wraps you in when she wears you. You hear a ball? Is that a ping pong ball, Hunter? What is that? Oh, yeah. What'd you get? Yeah. Ooh, it's Lightning McQueen. Yeah, you broke the camera a little bit a few months ago. Yeah. Yeah, now Daddy only holds it. Yeah, Daddy holds it. Yeah. Hunter, you have your camera. Oh, Hunter.
Hunter, that's not nice.
Yeah, that's baby's toy. It's really Carson's toy, but you like the noise it makes? It's cool, huh?
Dada.
Yeah? Okay.
Dada.
Yeah, we gotta get to baby Carson. Hunter. Let's read. Where are we? What story are we on? I think we're... Let's see. Which one did we read earlier? Okay. I think we're right here. Gordon runs dry. One morning on the island of Sodor, Gordon's coaches were late. I shouldn't be kept waiting, he moaned. The express is the most important train on the island. Gordon thought, or Thomas thought local trains were important too, but Gordon didn't agree. At last, Gordon was coupled to the express, and he rushed off to the main line. Farther along the track, Paxton was pulling stone trucks. He didn't know that Gordon was hurrying toward him. Suddenly, Paxton's signal turned red.
Baby.
Yeah, it turned red to tell him to stop. Brake! Red light, red light. A Thomas story now. Let's read. Now you can read Cars, okay? Yeah. So we read this. This is one. Now you're gonna read two more stories, okay? Okay, so right. Okay, so we'll read these two. Why do you want to keep pressing Cruz's button? I don't think that's good for it. Which book do you want to read? Yeah, that's. Yeah, we're not sure. We don't know if we really don't know. We don't know if maybe we were at the mall or something and you picked the other one up and you thought it was his. Or no, or maybe you got it at church accidentally. Oh yeah, the little tripod, the little chubby pod kind of broke. Should I wear the fireman hat? Why not? It looks nice. Red signal ahead. As Paxton braked, a stone flew out of his truck and hit Gordon's boiler. I'm so sorry, Paxton said with the gasp. Are you okay? I'm fine, Gordon replied. You can't damage a strong engine like me so easily. You can check for damage just in case, Paxton warned him. Nonsense, Gordon replied. The express must not be late. Yeah, can you find Gordon? Where's Gordon? Where's your Gordon magnet? Where's Gordon? Is that Gordon? Let's see here. I think you're right. That is Gordon.
Conga.
Yeah, you're right.
Conga.